Hello everyone. Right now we're gonna be unboxing an iRobot Roomba 675. So it's an iRobot right there, and it's a Roomba 675 model. So as you can see, this floor is overdue for some vacuuming. The dirt here is like lint like dust. It seems like your lint from clothes dryer. So but hopefully we're hoping that this Roomba gonna take care of our issues. So let's take a look what's in there. So this is what the company is claiming, that it's smart, simple, and clean. And we need to find out what's this Wi-Fi feature is all about. See what else it says right there. Nothing really. On the other side. Well, that's what our main concern is, that it don't jump on stairs. Alright, let's open her up. So it looks like it's pre-packaged real good. And you have the owner's manual. There you go. We have extra filter. We have the charging base. And we have the iRobot itself. And the power cord. Nothing else. So we'll put it back. Close it again. There you go. So let's put our camera down and let's go in business. So we'll uncoil our power cord and take out the base from the plastic. Is this one goes right here, which, you know, go both ways. Let's check. Yep, so it doesn't matter. And our iRobot is 100 to 240 volts, so you don't need a transformer, so it's pretty much plug and play. So you can take this from Japan to Philippines to US to the Middle East, and you don't have to worry about. The only thing you have to worry about that this fits on the outlet, where in the Middle East have a different outlet style. Philippines has a different one, and here in Japan there's a different one too, so you just need to have an adapter. So our base is good to go. And we'll check this baby out. Well, Christmas came late. Look at this baby right here. Man. It's pretty nice. It's nice brush. So I'm assuming we have to pull this out for the battery to engage. So, but we have it. So that's how our iRobot looks like. The Roomba and the base, where it goes back after it's done cleaning and for charging. We're gonna go ahead read through the owner's manual to get the best out of this vacuum. I'm gonna go ahead and update you guys how this thing works. I'm gonna mount the GoPro and we'll watch it go around the house. So for now, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.